After days of anticipation, it's finally time. Join us as we head into Abenteuer and Allrad. We explore the show, discover the incredible expedition vehicles, and we take a look around the campsite that we were on. And that became home to many adventurers from across the world. Welcome to part 2. We woke up the next morning to a very welcome sight because the rain had finally stopped and we were ready to go out and explore. A quick shout out though to Trail Outdoor Leisure, who kindly gifted us this Brazen 6 air tent. We will be doing a full review in a separate video, but after a very wet first night it held up brilliantly and it kept us comfortable throughout the night. With the weather finally on our side, it was time to join the queue and head into Abenteuer and Allrad. If staying at one of the camps, the main way to get to the showgrounds is by shuttle bus. And as you can imagine, although the queues did look long at first, they did go down really quickly because there were plenty of buses running and the queues moved much faster than we expected. Even the dog was fine on the bus as well. I would probably say in total it took about 20 minutes to get from the campsite actually into the show itself to this point here. It didn't take her long to find the balloons, and not long after entering we were shown where the children's area was located. We didn't head there straight away though, but just knowing that it was there was enough to keep Brianna excited about exploring. It gave us a great incentive and helped us make our way around the first part of the show without too many complaints about walking. One of the very first stands we came across was Yeti. And I'll be honest, if you've visited Yeti at any UK events, the Abenteuer and Allrad setup really raises the bar. And although we were here for trucks like this one, it wasn't just trucks at the show. There was so much more. Somehow we managed to convince Luke that he didn't need any more tools just yet. So yeah, Bree pushed him right on past.
That one is massive.
It is. Who have you found?
Woody and Buzz.
One of the first stops of the day was Motorcraft. Now, we've visited Motorcraft a few times in the UK, so we were really looking forward to catching up with the team while we were here. And as soon as Brianna spotted their stand, she recognised it. She even recognised some of the trucks they'd brought with them, which was lovely to see. And within minutes, she'd made herself completely at home. Big spin.
Downwards. That way. Ready?
Ball, go.
She'll get you a 10% discount.
Oh!
Something is the name, Mommy.
Oh. Bree and Luke may have won a beer mat, but let's see what I can get.
Jammy get.
No, it's a... Yep, I won a t-shirt and Luke was jealous about it. Yours. Look.
Frame is a little bit bigger and opens like all our windows 90 degrees.
This window went onto our must-have list. I love that.
You can put your coffee in or your
Yeah.
beer or a glass of wine, and we have say
Hello.
sitting corner. What are you going to sell? Ice creams?
You're going to sell me ice creams?
Yeah, ice creams. I think
Sell me ice creams then.
yeah, lemonade.
I like that hatch, Brie. You can serve me more drinks, can't you? Do you like that one?
What do you want?
What do I want? A truck, please. No, I love that. I hadn't even considered anything like that.
Measuring.
He then gave her this tape measure and, well, it went everywhere with her. Oh, you like that? 'Cause you always steal Daddy's.
Yeah, and this one for your key to enter the house.
You can put it on your bag, Brianna.
Yeah.
You've got your own
Good.
travel bag, haven't you?
Yeah, my pleasure.
Good girl.
300.
300, are you sure? He's busy measuring now.
How long is this?
DIN A4, 30 Zentimeter sowas.
Remember what you say?
Yeah, you're welcome.
Right in the middle. I'll give it a good pull, Brie. Another idea we hadn't thought of, but actually one that is now on the list, is this quad bike lift if we get a truck big enough.
Yeah, but not
You do?
black.
Not with the black. Which bit? You like the tyre track? Okay. So you're going to design it, are you? Remember that tape measure from earlier? Oh, I think you'll like that. What do you think? Go on then.
You mean pepperoni?
Yeah, nice. One thing we did find that while we were at the show, all the food and drink was really reasonably priced. It was about €6 each for the pizzas that we had here, and they were amazing. And Brie even enjoyed the pepperoni too. But then it was on to the kids area. Brianna chose to make one of the Abenteuer Allrad bracelets. It was about €5 and we got given this little Abenteuer and Allrad bead, and then she could make the bracelet around it. And whilst I did think it was a little bit expensive, it was a nice memento of the day itself, and Brie did enjoy it, and that was the activity that she chose, so... After that, we headed to some familiar faces again. Yep, that's right, it's Peggy Pegs. Now, we first met these guys at the NEC, but we needed some more equipment, so over we went. We had only completed a little part of the show today, but we decided that we wanted to make a beeline for the coaches and head back to camp because we wanted to go and have a look at all the trucks in our camp. And we knew that we could do the rest of the show tomorrow. And just like that, we were back at Camp 3, which is where our tent was based. We really wanted to walk around this camp, and we decided to do that after a quick reset. That's it. That's it.
You right to the top?
In a bit. Don't worry. Do you want me to get the top bit, babe? So it's time to go and have a look around the camp. So we've decided to come and explore Camp 3, which is the one that we're on. It's so big. It's so big. This is like a day in itself. So many people choose to come and obviously walk around the camp. There's lots for sale as well, so a lot of people come to sell their Overlanders. It's so tempting. We were blown away by Camp 3. Inspiration truly was everywhere you looked. As we made our way back to the tent, one thing really hit us: the sheer scale of it all. We'd spent the afternoon exploring Camp 3, and this was just one camp, and it wasn't even the biggest one. We'd settled down for the evening with a cup of tea, and we knew that there was only one thing left to do: get the drone up and see it all from above. So we're going to leave you with these aerial views of Camp 3. Join us next week as we head back into Abenteuer Allrad, because honestly, one day simply wasn't enough. We'll also be taking you around Camp 1, one of the largest camps on site, home to the entertainment, the atmosphere, and some of the biggest expedition trucks at the entire show. Trust us, you're not going to want to miss it. Thanks so much for joining us, and if you'd like to follow along as we plan our own family Overlander adventure, don't forget to subscribe and come along for the journey.